will not participate in uncertainty of this city. I have 2 million mouths to feed, protect, and guide. We have an old city to build for the next generation. We have an environment to address for our children. That is my obligation to this city. That is my sworn statement to the people of Manila. I owe it to them. I don't owe it to anybody. Taong bayan ang naglagay sa akin dito, hindi politiko. Kaya sa inyo lahat, mag-iingat kayo. Nawa, maging masagana ang bagong taon sa bawat mundo, sa buong mundo at bawat bansa, sa buong bansa at lalo na sa buong Maynila. Magandang araw po.